What is acupuncture and how does it work? Acupuncture is a holistic health technique that stems from traditional Chinese medicine practices in which trained practitioners stimulate specific points on the body by inserting thin needles into the skin. Today, acupuncture is one of the most popular practices of traditional Chinese medicine in the West. TCM is a complementary health approach that first originated in ancient China more than 2,500 years ago and has been evolving ever since. The use of acupuncture and other traditional Chinese medicine techniques has risen steadily in the US and other Western countries over the past several decades. According to a large survey done on complementary health by the National Institute of Health in 2007, in the US alone, at least 3.1 million people had experienced acupuncture. The survey showed that the number of visits to acupuncturists tripled between 1997 and 2007. So the first question most people ask me is, does acupuncture hurt? Surprisingly, although needles are used in acupuncture, treatments are relatively pain-free. In fact, one of the most popular uses of acupuncture is to reduce chronic pain throughout the body in a natural way, without the need for medications that can cause unwanted side effects. Think about this scary statistic. One person in every 50 seconds dies from an opioid drug overdose. Most of the studies investigating acupuncture to date have examined whether acupuncture can safely reduce pain. However, it's expected that in the next several years, researchers will continue to study whether or not it might be helpful with other conditions, such as anxiety, depression, inflammation, hot flashes, side effects of chemotherapy, and insomnia. So what can acupuncture effectively treat? Acupuncture is able to treat conditions such as muscle spasms and pain, chronic back problems, headaches, even reducing the frequency and intensity of migraines, neck pain, osteoarthritis in areas such as the knees, the shoulders, the hips, and even your feet, allergies, digestive problems, mood, depression, stress and anxiety, cancer and chemotherapy recovery, fertility, pregnancy, labor, and even postpartum health. The top 5 conditions we treat: headaches and migraines. In 2009, researchers from the Center of Complementary Medicine at the University of Munich reviewed over 11 studies involving 2,100 acupuncture patients. They concluded that acupuncture is a valuable non-pharmacological tool in patients with chronic headaches. The review looked at multiple clinical trials comparing the effects of acupuncture sessions to sham or fake acupuncture. And it also compared it to people with no treatment at all for the relief of migraine headaches. In particular, both groups that had needles had success in the reduction of headaches. The control group had no change at all. However, in the follow-up survey, the group that had the real acupuncture treatment continue to have both a decrease in the number of headaches and the frequency and intensity of those headaches. Acupuncture improves chronic pain in the back, neck, knees, and arthritis pain. And this was proven in a study in 2006 by the University Medical Center of Berlin. In patients with chronic back pain, there was a significant difference in the pain reported between groups of patients receiving acupuncture over 8 weeks versus those that received no treatment at all. Even more impressive is a 2012 study done by Memorial Sloan Kettering Department of Epidemiological and Biostatistical Study. And it was aimed to determine the effect of acupuncture for 4 chronic pain conditions: back and neck pain, arthritis, chronic headaches, and shoulder pain. The researchers reviewed 12,000 patients' files, and the results showed that patients receiving acupuncture had less pain than people in the placebo group. But also, the conclusion was the effect of acupuncture in treating chronic pain is more than just a placebo, and that it's reasonable for doctors to be referring for this type of a treatment. Beijing University of Chinese Medicine conducted a large meta-analysis in 2009, and it showed the beneficial effect of acupuncture on reducing insomnia symptoms. They compared it to no treatment at all. The analysis found that in patients who were taking medication or herbal treatments to help with sleep, adding acupuncture showed better effects than those taking medication or herbs alone. Another benefit was that unlike many sleep medications, The acupuncture sessions had absolutely no adverse side effects at all. So imagine you get to relax in a room, soft music, essential oils, in a healing environment, and that's how acupuncture is performed. Acupuncture can help with fertility, pregnancy, labor, and postpartum health. Acupuncture is an effective treatment to reduce stress, balance hormones, and ease the anxiety and pain of pregnancy and labor. It's considered a safe treatment for many of the common symptoms during pregnancy. It eases the physical and emotional strains on the body, as well as the baby after he or she is born. It helps with mood, depression, mental or physical symptoms that the mother may experience. It can even be used right before the baby is due to prepare the body for labor. Acupuncture improves cancer and chemotherapy recovery. According to the National Cancer Institute, several studies show that acupuncture can help boost immunity and speed up recovery following cancer treatments. One randomized trial, for example, found that acupuncture treatment enhanced immunity, enhanced platelet count, and prevented a decrease in healthy cells after radiation therapy or chemotherapy. Researchers reported that patients in both acupuncture treatment groups also experienced less pain from treatments, improvements in quality of life, and decrease in various negative side effects, such as nausea. If these are symptoms that you or someone you know are struggling with and are looking for a natural and effective solution, give us a call or visit us on the web at chiropractorinleesummit.com to set up your free consultation. Thank you, and we look forward to meeting you.